Hey my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is yet another video with the Vivitar Aeropview video drone. Today we just gonna fly, have fun, and just have some more fun. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, baby. I love this drone. Everyone knows I love this drone. All of you who have been following my channel for a while knows I love this particular drone amongst all the drones I have. So let's give it a go. Let's have some fun. Let's fly, fly, fly. That's the spirit. Yep, it is a fun way to relax, you know. Come home, bring the drones out, you know, just fly and have some fun. Oh yeah. Yeah. Actually, when I got this drone, I was like, oh, well, I hope it's worth its money. Let me just test it out. And it came out to become the best drone, or one of the best drones I've ever had. So it is a good flyer, very stable, very reliable drone. Yes, and without taking anything from this drone, the only thing is the camera quality. If you are someone who is interested in, say, 4K videos, this is not the drone for you. But if you're someone like me who just love to fly, this is the drone for you. So if you love to fly and you love a good quality picture, you can still get this drone and just enjoy the part of the flying part of it, and then maybe get another one with a better camera quality. Yeah, but so far this is a drone to relax with. It is very agile, very nimble, reacts perfectly to its remote controller. Oh my goodness. It got stuck and landed on an angle. I hope I didn't break anything. Man, you should have heard the sound when it, oh Lord. Oh no, look at all this dirt, man. I hope I didn't break anything. Let's just try to quickly take off and land and see if it's working properly. It seems to be okay. It is a terrible crash it had. This is, oh Lord. Well, it flies. Oh yeah, it flies. Oh no. Let's land it. Let me take that dirt off. Oh no. This is a tough one. Man, the battery almost came out, and man, let me see. Try to take this dirt out of it. My goodness, I've had so many crashes, but this one is something else. Man, the way it sounded, it was like it just exploded. Oh Lord, my goodness. I hope there will be no after effect. At least we know it flies, but my goodness. Wow. Oh, my drone. feel so bad. My goodness, look at all the dirt coming out. Oh Lord. My goodness. Oh well. I've removed most of it. Let's fly it again and see. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hey, yes, 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 yes. I'm not gonna say anything. Let me concentrate. Let me just fly this drone right now. Oh Lord, I'm so happy. I am so happy about this drone. Just look at it. Oh yeah, that's my baby right there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh, look at it, look at it. Very stable, reliable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Man, my heart was destroyed, but guys, what I'm gonna do is I have to buy another one of these drones and just keep. Oh Lord, I don't know whether it is this particular one or it's all of these Aeropviews, but I love this drone, man. I love this drone. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. I feel like breakdancing, man. Look at that. Oh Lord. Nice, 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 nice. Thank you. Subscribe, comments below. Have fun.